Hello, I am Sammy from Sup Kids Cooking, and I'm going to show you how to cut an onion. You do not want to cut this off, because then that will make you cry a lot more. So first, you just want to slice it in half. Make sure you always have these claws, so then you don't cut yourself. And then, what you want to do is you just want to peel that off. Peel the extra layers off. Next, what we want to do is we just want to get as close as we can to the root as we can. So we can go like that. Cut one, as close as you can, and keep doing that all the way. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to put the onion back together. And then you want to cut like that in it, and then again under it, and then one more time. And you just want to dice it with your claw. If you want, you just want to do it extra fine. That's how you chop a red onion. And if you want to cook with us on every Friday, you better sign up so you can.